वेलकम बैक टू मास स्टडी। दोस्तों आज हम प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं बहुत ही शानदार टॉपिक गोइंग टू के बारे में। गोइंग टू का प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर ये बच्चे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, आपको देखकर मजा आएगा। जैसे हम कई बार बोलते हैं हम कोई काम करने वाले हैं, जैसे कि मैं पढ़ने वाला हूँ, मैं एग्ज़ाम देने वाला हूँ, हम अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले हैं, हम लड़ाई करने वाले हैं, वह मुझे मारने वाला है। तो ऐसे वाक्यों को बनाने के लिए हम लोग गोइंग टू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और उसकी प्रैक्टिस कैसे करते हैं और प्रैक्टिस करके कैसे इंग्लिश को फ्लुएंट किया जा सकता है, ये सारा आज आपको बताया जाएगा इन स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा। तो ये रहे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स और ये रही हमारी क्लास और हम आज प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं। थैंक यू।
गुड इवनिंग। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन। माई सेल्फ दृष्टि पटेल फ्रॉम सनावत। आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन।
वे मदद करने वाले हैं।
वे मदद करने वाले हैं। इन प्रेजेंट दे आर गोइंग टू हेल्प, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प, आर दे गोइंग टू हेल्प, आर दे नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प। इन पास्ट वे मदद करने वाले थे। दे वर गोइंग टू हेल्प, दे वर नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प, आर दे वर दे गोइंग टू हेल्प, वर दे नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प। थैंक यू। Hey everyone. Hi. How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. I am Kiran Birla from Sanawat. Today I am here to change one sentence in simple, negative, interrogative and last interrogative plus negative. Ask me my question.
तुम मूवी देखने वाले हो।
My question is that तुम मूवी देखने वाले हो. First I am going to change in present. You are going to watch movie. You are not going to watch movie. Are you going to watch movie? Are you not going to watch movie? Now I am going to change in past tense. The sentence become like that. तुम मूवी देखने वाले थे. You were going to watch movie. You were not going to watch movie. Were you going to watch movie? Were you not going to watch movie? Thank you. Everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. Ask me question.
हम विज्ञान की बुक पढ़ने वाले हैं।
We are going to read science book. We are not going to read science book. Are we going to read science book? Are we not going to read science book? In past, हम विज्ञान की किताब पढ़ने वाले थे. We were going to read science book. We were not going to read science book. Were we going to read science book? Were we not going to read science book?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. My name is प्यार सिंह मोरे. Ask me question.
मैं पत्र लिखने वाला हूँ।
मैं पत्र लिखने वाला हूँ. I am going to write letter. I am not going to write letter. Am I going to write letter? Am I not going to write letter? In past मैं पत्र लिखने वाला था. I was going to write letter. I was not going to write letter. Was I going to write letter? Was I not going to write letter? Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Garima Punase. Anybody ask me question?
वह अपना मोबाइल बेचने वाला है।
वह अपना मोबाइल बेचने वाला है. In present, he is going to sell his mobile. He is not going to sell his mobile. Is he going to sell his mobile? Is he not going to sell his mobile? In past, वह अपना मोबाइल बेचने वाला था. He was going to sell his mobile. He was not going to sell his mobile. Was he going to sell his mobile? Was he not going to sell his mobile? Thank you.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
वह मेरी कॉपी चेक करने वाला है।
वह मेरी कॉपी चेक करने वाला है. He is going to check my copy. He is not going to check my copy. Is he going to check my copy? Is he not going to check my copy? In past, वह मेरी कॉपी चेक करने वाला था. He was going to check my copy. He was not going to check my copy. Was he going to check my copy? Was he not going to check my copy? Thank you.
Hi friends. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Sir, ask me question.
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने वाला हूँ।
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने वाला हूँ. Present. I am going to speak English. I am not going to speak English. Am I going to speak English? Am I not going to speak English? मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने वाला था. Past. I was going to speak English. I was not going to speak English. Was I going to speak English? Was I not going to speak English? Thank you.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Give me some question.
हम नई कंपनी शुरू करने वाले हैं।
हम नई कंपनी शुरू करने वाले हैं। प्रेजेंट वी आर गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी, आर वी गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी, आर वी नॉट गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी। पास्ट हम नई कंपनी शुरू करने वाले थे। वी वर गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी, वी वर नॉट गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी, वर वी गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी, वर वी नॉट गोइंग टू बिगन न्यू कंपनी। थैंक यू all of you. How are you all? I am also fine. Today I am going to change the sentence which is given by audience. Please give me a sentence.
मैं अपना घर सजाने वाली हूँ।
मैं अपना घर सजाने वाली हूँ। I am going to decorate my home. I am not going to decorate my home. Am I going to decorate my home? Am I not going to decorate my home? In past मैं अपना घर सजाने वाली थी। I was going to decorate my home. I was not going to decorate my home. Was I going to decorate my home? Was I not going to decorate my home? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi. Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Ask me question.
मैं कुछ सोचने वाली थी।
मैं कुछ सोचने वाली हूँ। I am going to think something. I am not going to think something. Am I going to think something? Am I not going to think something? In past, I was going to think something. I was not going to think something. Was I going to think something? Was I not going to think something?
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
वे एग्जाम देने वाले हैं।
In present वे एग्ज़ाम देने वाले हैं। They are going to write exam. They are not going to write exam. Are they going to write exam? Are they not going to write exam? In past वे परीक्षा देने वाले थे। They were going to write exam. They were not going to write exam. Were they going to write exam? Were they not going to write exam? Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
Today's my topic is change the sentence with going to in present and past. Please ask me question.
मैं नया मोबाइल खरीदने वाली हूँ।
मैं नया मोबाइल खरीदने वाली हूँ इन प्रेजेंट। आई एम गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। एम आई गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। एम आई नॉट गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। इन पास्ट मैं नया मोबाइल खरीदने वाली थी। आई वॉज गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। आई वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। वॉज आई गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। वॉज आई नॉट गोइंग टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल। थैंक यू।
Guys, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
मैं यहाँ बैठने वाला हूँ।
मैं यहाँ बैठने वाला हूँ। I am sit here. I am going to sit here. I am not going to sit here. Am I going to sit here? Am I not going to sit here? In past मैं यहाँ बैठने वाला था। I was going to sit here. I was not going to sit here. Was I going to sit here? Was I not going to sit here?
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. Today I am going to change the sentence in present and past. Ask me some question, guys.
मेरा भाई आग लगाने वाला है।
मेरा भाई आग लगाने वाला है। In present, my brother is going to burn. My brother is not going to burn. Is my brother going to burn? Is my brother not going to burn? In past, मेरा भाई आग लगाने वाला था। My brother was going to burn. My brother was not going to burn. Was my brother going to burn? Was my brother not going to burn? That's it. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everybody.
Good evening.
My name is Tina Chaudhary. Ask me question.
मैं नाचने वाली हूँ।
I am going to dance. I am not going to dance. Am I going to dance? Am I not going to dance? In past मैं नाचने वाली थी। I was going to dance. I was not going to dance. Was I going to dance? Was I not going to dance?
everyone. Hi. Good evening. Good evening. My name is Yamini Pawar. Ask me question.
बंदर पेड़ पर चलने वाला है.
The monkey is going to climb on the tree. The monkey is not going to climb on the tree. Is the monkey going to climb on the tree? Is the monkey not going to climb on the tree? In past, बंदर पेड़ पर चढ़ने वाला था. The monkey was going to climb on the tree. The monkey was not going to climb on the tree. Was monkey the going to climb on the tree? Was monkey not going to climb on the tree?
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Virendra Singh. Ask me question.
हम अंग्रेजी सीखने वाले हैं.
हम अंग्रेजी सीखने वाले हैं. We are going to learn English. We are not going to learn English. Are we going to learn English? Are we not going to learn English? In past, we were going to learn English. We were not going to learn English. Were we going to learn English? Were we not going to learn English? Thank you.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Nidhi Pawar. Ask me question.
मैं आम तोड़ने वाली हूँ.
मैं आम तोड़ने वाली हूँ. In present, I am going to pluck the mango. I am not going to pluck the mango. Am I going to pluck the mango? Am I not going to pluck the mango? मैं आम तोड़ने वाली थी. In past, I was going to pluck the mango. I was not going to pluck the mango. Was I going to pluck the mango? Was I not going to pluck the mango?
Everyone. Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm good. Ask me question.
मैं प्रार्थना करने वाली हूँ.
I'm going to pray. I'm not going to pray. Am I going to pray? Am I not going to pray? Past tense. मैं प्रार्थना करने वाली थी. I was going to pray. I was not going to pray. Was I going to pray? Was I not going to pray?
Hi everyone. Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm also fine. Ask me question.
मैं आदेश देने वाला हूँ.
मैं आदेश देने वाला हूँ. I am going to order. I am not going to order. Am I going to order? Am I not going to order? मैं आदेश देने वाला था. I was going to order. I was not going to order. Was I going to order? Was I not going to order?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I'm also fine. My name is Kajal Jaiswal, and today I am changing the sentence in past and present with the help of going to. So, who will giving me a sentence?
भारत के लोग अमीर बनने वाले हैं.
भारत के लोग अमीर बनने वाले हैं. The people of India are going to become rich. The people of India are not going to become rich. Are the people of India going to become rich? Are the people of India not going to become rich? In past, भारत के लोग अमीर बनने वाले थे. The people of India were going to become rich. The people of India were not going to become rich. Were the people of India going to become rich? Were the people of India not going to become rich? Thank you.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm also fine. Ask me question.
तुम जलेबी खाने वाली हो.
तुम जलेबी खाने वाले हो. You are going to eat jalebi. You are not going to eat jalebi. Are you going to eat jalebi? Are you not going to eat jalebi? In past, तुम जलेबी खाने वाले थे. You were going to eat jalebi. You were not going to eat jalebi. Were you going to eat jalebi? Were you not going to eat jalebi?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Ask me question.
विराट शतक बनाने वाला है.
विराट शतक बनाने वाला है in present. Virat is going to make century. Virat is not going to make century. Is Virat going to make century? Is Virat not going to make century? In past, Virat century बनाने वाला था. Virat was going to make century. Virat was not going to make century. Was Virat going to make century? Was Virat not going to make century?
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm also fine. Please give me a question.
मैं मछली पकड़ने वाला हूँ.
I am going to catch a fish. I am not going to catch a fish. Am I going to catch fish? Am I not going to catch fish? Past. I was going to catch fish. I was not going to catch fish. Was I going to catch fish? Was I not going to catch fish?
How are all of you? I am also fine. You ask me question.
मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने वाला हूँ.
मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. Present in. I am going to teach English. I am not going to teach English. Am I going to teach English? Am I not going to teach English? Past in. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने वाला था. I was going to teach English. I was not going to teach English. Was I going to teach English? Was I not going to teach English? Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you? We are fine, and you? I am also fine. Sir, ask me question.
मैं खाना खाने वाला हूँ.
मैं खाना खाने वाला हूँ. I am going to eat food. I am not going to eat food. Am I going to eat food? Am I not going to eat food? Past. In past. मैं खाना खाने वाला था. I was going to eat food. I was not going to eat food. Was I going to eat food? Was I not going to eat food?
My name is Lakshya Bidla. Ask me question.
मैं उड़ने वाला हूँ.
I am going to fly. I am not going to fly. Am I going to fly? Am I not going to fly? I was going to fly. I was not going to fly. Was I going to fly? Was I not going to fly?